Hey guys, it's Sonia, and as you guys can hopefully tell from today's oddly satisfying intro, we are talking about our brand new latex barrier called Precision Peel. This has been a product you guys have been requesting forever, so we're really excited to bring it to you. And first up, we're going to show you one of the most common uses for liquid latex, and that's when you're sponging on glitter. So to begin, I applied one thin coat of Xyler, and while that was drying, I went in with Precision Peel and just applied it all around my cuticle. The brush on this applicator is so precise, so it lets you get into every single nook and cranny of your cuticle and make sure that everything is protected. Then I applied Xyler onto a makeup sponge, and the makeup sponge is actually soaking up the excess base, so it makes it really easy to deposit the glitter right onto your nail. Now it's time for the peel, and in one easy peel, you get all the mess off your nail. I'm going to show that to you again because it's so satisfying, and anybody who has ever sponged glitter on knows how hard it is to get all of it off your cuticle, so this is a definite game changer. I really wanted to put this latex to the test, so I thought of the messiest techniques I can think of, and here I'm attempting a splatter mani. So I started with a white base, and here I'm applying some neon pink polish onto the edge of a straw. And to be honest guys, I had no idea if this was going to work. I've never done this before in my life, but thankfully it's actually easier than it looks. So I went ahead and just blew. I blasted some neon yellow onto my nail. I also did black for a pop, and the black didn't come out as cool as I wanted, so I kind of cheated with the straw anyway, but it works. Even with nail polish being blasted at my finger, the Precision Peel makes cleanup so easy. Last but not least, I'm going to put the latex to the test by doing a plastic wrap mani. This is another one of those techniques that I always thought looked so cool when other people do it, but I personally always avoided it because even when I've used liquid latex, the seal just wasn't good enough, so polish ended up squishing underneath my cuticle. It was a nightmare to clean up, and the amount of polish that's pooling on the tip of my nail right now is seriously giving me anxiety. Now for the moment of truth, and no lie, I was holding my breath, really hoping that I didn't have to clean black polish on my cuticle, but as you can see, Precision Peel had my back. It removed perfectly. Once you're done creating your beautiful mess, make sure to seal everything in with a thick coat of our glossy top coat. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this inspires you to get creative and try out some new techniques. Let us know in the comments which look is your favorite, and until next time, we'll see you soon.